even book me. It's me and Lil Baby that going crazy. Weezy produced it and Weezy have made me and she held it down.
Everybody say hi to the vlog. Hey. Not really picnicking. We're just having a little beach day.
Guys, I brought a hacky sack.
Caroline is doing some magic tricks.
Real quick, all the cards are different. Back a picture card. Here it is.
That was it.
Put it back on the top. I'm gonna cut the deck. Pick a deck. Are you sure?
Yeah. What sorcery?
I've only done this trick a few times. Hold on. I hope it works. I don't know if it will. Hold on.
Magic never disappoints. Like, if you ever want to do a magic trick on me. That is a stacked deck.
It's different. See? There's a 3 of clubs everywhere.
But there's more than one.
There's 26.
Which paint intends?
I don't know, like the universe, I guess.
We're in a hammock. I don't know if this is good footage. I literally can't see myself.
This is Beck's signature on the tree. I should be a videographer.
Camera? It is.
Haley? Guys, it's really cold. Freezing.
It's not.
I am freezing.
Obviously, if you're subscribed to Becca's channel, that means you're cool.
So, this is Pixie Hollow.
Over there.
And then this the beach we found. Haley's over there tanning. She didn't want to in the water.
You got decked by a wave. It's okay though. Happens. That's what the pirate life is like. We probably look terrible, but we're having fun. Hopefully, whoever's watching is inspired to go out with your friends and do fun. It looks like my friends are getting out of the water, though. So, I probably will too. Here's Kaylee. Kaylee, say hi to the vlog. Didn't want to get in. I get it. It's dirty. It's gross. But it's fun. It's Beck's life.
I'm dying. Beach day!
Tune in to me for the exclusive, you know what I'm saying? Get it right, get me right, I get you right. Alright, let's do this thing.
Peyton Beck.
I get real playing too.
Not just gonna sit right with you.
Talk to him. What you gotta say?
Not much, guys. I'm like half brain dead.
This is Lake Erie.
No, that's a crawfish. I didn't know we had crawfish in Lake Erie. What the hell? Nah, that's weird. Don't touch it. Ew! Ew! We just got Dairy Queen. I got a vanilla cone with cherry dip.
I got Oreo Brookie Blizzard. I got very cherry chip.
I got banana split. Blizzards?
Yep.
Okay. I'm the only one who got a cone.
I think those cones taste like Eucharist at Mass. I call them Jesus cones. Review.
I like the crunch.
It does taste like uterus.
That was the
Yeah, the cone, bro.
Did you say uterus?
Eucharist.
Oh. Did I say uterus?
No.
I heard uterus.
I hope
Tastes
so.
like
Run it
uterus.
back! Rewind! It does taste like uterus. And then you can like zip it back.
And then we'll put this part in too, and we'll just zoom in on your face. No, we'll zoom in on mine right now.
Oh, me.
What?
You'll get that later.
Yeah.
Oh,
Confused.
Yeah. Now cut to current Becca saying she understands.
I understand.
Some people got an apple, some people got a tangerine.
Good morning, guys. It's 12:15. It's Thursday. I'm on my way to Kenzie's house. That being said, bye. I'll see you when I get to Huron. Good morning. Hey. Pulp. Crumble and pulp.
I was looking at your Life 360. I saw you were 2 minutes ahead of me, and we wanted to catch up to you. And you got stopped by the train, and it was perfect.
I know. No, because I saw you guys. I checked Life 360 to see how far you were. Because I thought you were in front of me.
No.
Hey, KJ. How you doing? Kenzie handed me whatever this is.
I didn't realize I'd be past you, and then Caroline flicked you off.
Kenzie's room. Kenzie's room. Crumble. What is
This
this?
one's French toast. This one's an apple crumble one. White
This
milk.
is chocolate chip.
Okay, so then this is like the
Like oatmeal
No,
chocolate
that's like
chip.
grandma's.
yeah, it's like grandma's milk, like
grandma's
light
milk.
milk. This one is Chips Ahoy, but it's called like blue
Cookie Monster.
cookie, like something. And then this is salted caramel.
Thank you.
Okay.
Crumble review.
Crumble review. This one is the apple pie inspired
Oh,
one.
it looks good. Apple pie.
Apple pie. Mmm.
Oh my gosh. It tastes like apple pie.
Yeah, it does. It's so weird how they do that.
This is a 10 out of 10.
That's a really good.
This is a 10 out of 10. Like, first start, this was good.
This isn't even a cookie. This is like a cake.
French toast.
This is a pancake.
It's really good, but it's not like a cookie. It tastes a little bit like cornbread.
Okay.
I
It
give
tastes
it like an 8.
Texture
7.5.
and a
give it an
cookie.
It's
Okay.
good. I like it. It's
We're gonna go
8.
next.
8
It
out of
just
10.
like wasn't a cookie.
We're gonna go next with Grandma's chocolate chip.
Okay, grandma's whatever. What is it? Grandma's chocolate chip.
Yeah, you could taste the salt.
Oh, and peanut butter.
It's okay.
Becca's died from eating the same cookie.
I brought my EpiPen.
Okay, good.
Not that good, in my opinion.
No, it's like a 5. No. This is, it looks like the Cookie Monster. Mmm.
Good.
I don't like frosting.
Oh,
From-
it's
from
really
the
sweet. It's
Yeah.
really sweet.
I
That
didn't
one
like
is
that.
a 4.
Hold it.
4 out of 10.
Good. I give it a
Salted
0 out of
caramel.
10.
Salted caramel. 3, 2.
It tastes like caramel and buttercream.
I give it a 5.
I give it a 3.5.
I was gonna say 3.
3 is fine. 3 out of 10.
Solid.
Chocolate chip.
Solid cookie.
This one's like 7 out of 10. It's good, but there's nothing special about it.
It's a chocolate chip cookie.
Look, I have Remy.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Kenzie's fish. A snail. We're going outside to swim. Backyard tour. An oasis. We just swam.
Uh-huh.
Kaylee's in the shower. I'm about to take a shower. I have water in my ears. I look insane. Bye.